Hello friends, welcome to engineering tutorial. So here is another question on solving linear equations in two variables using elimination method. So the two equations which we have to solve for x and y, they are 0.4x minus 1.5y is equal to 6.5 and 0.3x plus 0.2y is equal to 0.9. Okay, so first we'll write the equations in their present form. So 0.4x minus 1.5y is equal to 6.5. Let's say equation 1, and 0.3x plus 0.2y is equal to 0.9. Okay, so now they are in decimal form, so it can be a bit complicated to handle it, so we'll simplify it. So what we'll do, we'll multiply 10 on both sides. Here 10 and here also 10. Okay, it just simplifies the whole equation, brings it in normal form without changing its meaning. So it stays the same, but the decimal part is removed. So here we have 4x minus 15y is equal to 65, and we have 3x plus 2y is equal to 9. This. So let's name this as equation 3 and this as equation 4. Now, so far what we have done, basic principle of elimination method, is to eliminate one variable, and I've always told you that always look for minus plus, that kind of pattern, so that you can simply match the coefficients or add them. But here we'll do the opposite thing. Let's try something else. Okay, here we'll eliminate x, even though they have the same sign, but still we will eliminate x by subtracting them. So let's see how that goes. So we have to match the coefficients of x in both the equations and then subtract them. So for doing that, here the coefficient of x is 3, so we'll multiply 3 here. Okay, and 3 here also on both sides, and here we have to multiply 4, and here 4. So what do we have? We will have 12x minus 45y is equal to 180 plus 15, that's 195. Okay, and here we have 12x plus 8y is equal to 36. See, coefficient of x is matched. Now what we have to do, we have to subtract them. So subtracting them, we have minus, minus, minus. So 12 and minus 12, they get cancelled. Minus 45 minus 8y, that is minus 53y. We have subtracted these two equations. Okay, 12x minus 45y is equal to 195, minus 12x plus 8y is equal to 36. We have subtracted these two equations. So 195 minus 36, that is equal to 159. 159 plus 6, 165, yes, 159. So we have minus 53y is equal to 159. That implies y is equal to 159 by 53. So it's minus 3. Y is equal to minus 3. Okay. So then we can use any of these equations to get the value of x. Let's say we take, see this green part, 3x plus 2y is equal to 9. This is the original equation, modified equation, 3x plus 2y is equal to 9. So we'll take that, 3x plus 2y is equal to 9. We'll substitute this y here, that implies 3x plus 2 into minus 3 is equal to 9. That implies 3x minus 6 is equal to 9. Implies 3x is equal to 15, that is 9 plus 6. Implies x is equal to 15 by 3 equal to 5. So x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5, y is equal to minus 3. This is the solution. So here, as opposed to the previous questions that we have done, instead of eliminating the variable with negative and positive coefficient in both the equations, we did the opposite. That would have been easy, but just to show you that the opposite is also possible, that you just have to match coefficients in both the equations through anything, that whether you divide, whether you multiply, whether you add, subtract, whatever you want to do, you have to eliminate one variable. Why I told you that always look for minus plus? Because it's easy. Just match the coefficients by multiplying suitable numbers and then add them. They will be cancelled. So here we did the other thing. Instead of going for addition, so that here the other thing which we could have done is multiplied 2 here, we would have got minus 30y. Multiplied 15 here, would have got plus 30y. Simply would have added and y would have been cancelled. But here we went for x cancellation. Okay, here we cancelled x. Okay, we went for that. So either way you can go, you will get the same result, that is x is equal to 5, y is equal to minus 3. Okay. So here is another question on solving linear equations in two variables using elimination method. So the equations are 4 by x plus 3y is equal to 8, 6 by x minus 4y is equal to minus 5, and we have to solve for x and y. Okay, so first we'll write the equations. So 4 by x plus 3y is equal to 8, equation 1. 6 by x minus 4y is equal to minus 5, equation 2. So here again, if you see, like we did in the questions related to substitution method, solving through substitution method, here also we have to introduce some additional variable substitutions to for this variable x which is present in the denominator to modify this equation. So here let 1 by x is equal to u. We introduce this. So when we substitute this in these equations 1 and 2, we will get 4u plus 3y is equal to 8, equation 3, and 6u minus 4y is equal to minus 5, equation 4. We have this. we introduced this to and we converted this equation in the standard form. Now we have to eliminate one variable. So here we'll go with the easy approach. We have plus 3y, we have minus 4y. So we will match the coefficients of y through multiplication of certain suitable numbers, and we'll add them. So here what we'll do, we'll multiply 4 here in the LHS and 4 in the RHS. Here we'll multiply 3 in the LHS and 3 in the RHS. So we will have 16u plus 12y is equal to 32, and here we have 18u minus 12y is equal to minus 15. Now we'll add them, add these two equations. So 16u plus 18u, that is equal to 34u. 12y minus 12y gets cancelled, y gets cancelled here. So 34u is equal to 32 plus minus 15, that is equal to 17. So we have 34u is equal to 17. That implies u is equal to 17 by 34, which is equal to 1 by 2. So we have u is equal to 1 by 2. That implies x is equal to 1 by u, which is equal to by 1 by 2. X is equal to 2. Now we can substitute this in any of these two equations to get the value of y. So let's say we substitute it here. So 3y is equal to 8 minus 4 by x, which is equal to 8 minus 4 by 2, which is equal to 8 minus 2, which is equal to 6. That implies y is equal to 6 by 3, which is equal to 2. So y is equal to 2. Okay, so x is equal to 2 and y is also equal to 2. This is the solution. Okay, so we got x is equal to 2, simply we substituted it here. So 3y is equal to 8 minus 4 by x, so 8 by 4 by 2 is 2, 8 minus 2 is 6, y is equal to 6 by 3, which is equal to 2. So this is the solution. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to